Hi. So I already did a video on removing the glass from the ceiling lights, but I had a few people comment or complain that you couldn't see well enough how I was actually removing it, because before I was by myself while Michelle was in school, but now that Michelle is always home because school's been canceled indefinitely with the whole COVID-19 thing, so now she's my cinematographer. So we will try to show how you remove this. So, I don't know if you can zoom in or what, honey. Make sure you're showing. So it has these 3 clips. I'll take it for a second, just in case they didn't see the first video. We'll show them that it has these clips, and 2 of them do not move. 2 of them are screwed in and permanent, and the other one stretches out a little bit. And so wear gloves because it's a bit sharp and hard to move. So let's see, I think it was this one that stretched, and it is. Okay, so can you see this, baby?
Yep.
You sure? I don't know from that angle if you're going to see it. Maybe you should go back.
I see it.
All right, so this stretches out with quite a bit of difficulty. That's why I couldn't hold the camera while I was doing this, because you'd need 3 hands, and very strong hands at that. Okay, so that's like I'm pulling with all my might. Okay, so now once the clip is off, then you can slide the glass off. See, it was that one stretches. It's got an arrow there. It's seeming a little wobbly now, but so now we got this off, and then you can change your light or clean this. I already cleaned it last time, but let's clean it again for fun because I've already got it down, right? So, and you seem to think it looked like there was a face on here, so let's see if you can see the face. I don't really see it. Where's the face?
Here.
Oh, okay. Sort of see it now.
And the mustache.
We get the camera back to show the face. So that's the face there.
And then the mustache.
Okay. So anyways, we'll just clean this out with our tissue. After. Okay, and then so putting it back.
Ooh.
You have to stretch out that freaking thing again, and it's not easy. So first, to slide it back, you slide it in the 2 permanent clips. Very carefully, you don't want to break the glass either. Okay, so then it go, well, it's not fun. Okay, so you've got it in those guys, and then you've got to stretch this one. Yeah, not fun. They're sharp edged, and you really got to pull this thing. Man. Oh my God, this even, I mean, I know it was hard, but it's even harder than I remember. I am pulling with all my might. Okay, just about lost my finger there, but got it back on. So you see, and then, oh, here it's zoomed in. See, so now it's back on. So there you go. That's how you do it. Thanks for your help, Michelle. I'm gonna say bye, turn it on you.
Bye.
So we're home on lockdown for weeks now with this whole COVID-19 thing, and so yeah, I guess it's a good time to get home projects done if you have things to do. So there's how you change those silly lights. Take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye.